Good day to you all. It's 12:30 and it is Sunday the 20th of November. We're at Gizfab's tribute barbecue / meet in memorial or in memory of Scott Murrell, and deepest condolences to all his friends and family. We thought we'd pay our respects here because I didn't know him well enough to come to the funeral or what have you. So let's have a look around at the show. There's a lot more cars than I thought it was going to be. Let's have a look. We've come today in the Roller T-Sport, parked next to another one. Decent. You said that last 2 weeks ago. Yes. Nice and cool. I bet it goes well. It does sound good. So cool. About
to me, if I died and someone decided they're gonna make a fucking sticker of me, I don't want to end up on some fucking little shitty Micra or some Corsa or something. Like, I don't want my name on that shit.
So, I've just meeting with this gentleman, Shah. This gentleman's had 205 GTRs and stuff, and he is in a 206 GTI, which is 140 horsepower, remapped to 160.
Apparently, according to some guy from Bristol, from Birmingham, so it's... Yeah. Complete bollocks.
Squidgy rear end. So I'm here with the main man, Eden. Here's Fab. And we're just in his workshop. We've just been here for Scott Murrell's memorial barbecue.
Yep.
And thank you very much for holding it,
That's all.
gentlemen.
Thank
And,
you for sample my sausage and my meat.
I didn't mind. It's weekend, isn't it? So anyway, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and see you again next time. Much love. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share to your mates. You know what I mean? Yeah.